Are your current standard operating procedures falling short in quality control and continuous improvement? If standard operating procedures are not increasing production, improving quality, reducing defects and rework, reducing costs and waste, and increasing customer satisfaction, and if they're not improving workers' skills and knowledge, plus if new hires are not learning fast enough, also causing poor quality, downtime, and defects, and if your SOP system allows for out-of-date, incomplete paper-based forms, reliance on tribal knowledge, handwritten changes and notes scribbled on printouts, wading through hard-to-understand manufacturers' equipment manuals for answers, and motivational and fear-based reminder signs all over the factory walls, here's what's needed. A digital solution for managers and frontline workers for quality control empowerment. This means that now might be the right time to upgrade SOPs to QOP. We're now offering an online demo of the digital quality control system called QOP. Please contact us to schedule your private demo of quality operating procedures. It will only take a few minutes.